In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a field in Airtable. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. And let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable's website. Once you're there, click the Login button and sign into your account. After you're logged in, open the base that contains the table you want to edit. Remember, a base is like a project or a database, and inside it, you have multiple tables. So take a moment to navigate to the right base from your workspace dashboard. Now within that base, select the specific table where you need to remove a field. Tables are the tabs you see at the bottom of your screen, and each one holds its own set of records and fields. Your table opens, scroll across to find the exact field you want to delete. Fields are the column headers at the top, like name, email, or date. It's important to take a second and confirm you've found the right one, especially if you have many columns. Once you've located the field, click the drop-down arrow that appears on the field name itself. This opens a menu with several options for customizing that column. From that menu, simply click Delete Field. A confirmation prompt may appear, warning you that this action will remove the field and all of its data from every single record in the table. So before you finalize, double check that you're deleting the correct field, because this change affects all records permanently. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. One thing to keep in mind, Airtable saves your changes automatically, so you don't need to click any save button. The field and its data are now gone from your table, and you'll see the remaining fields shift to fill the space. It's a clean, quick process, but because there's no undo for deletions in the free plan, always take a moment to be certain before you click that final button. To recap, you've just learned how to delete a field in Airtable by opening your browser, logging in, selecting your base and table, finding the field, clicking the drop-down, and choosing Delete Field. Thanks for watching this Airtable tutorial on how to delete a field in Airtable. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next video.